In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for Total Wireless $15 per line unlimited plan. Firstly, the promotion applies to the Total 5G unlimited plan, not the basic 5G plan. You must port in on the following like T-Mobile, Metro, Mint Mobile, Ultra Mobile. You need at least 2 lines to qualify. First option, in-store. Visit a Total Wireless store, inform them you're porting in and want the $15 per line promo. Provide the required port-in information and promo code, or you can do it online by going to totalwireless.com/buybuy. Select Total 5G Unlimited, enter your details, and then use one of these promo codes based on your career, like buybuy Mobile on T-Mobile, buybuy Metro on Metro, and buybuy Mint on Mint Mobile. Then complete the porting steps online. The $15 monthly rate, including taxes and fees, kicks in from your second month. The first month will be the full price, which is $55 before the promo starts. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.